And then to round off the natives, I was gonna do 2 of these sages
Okay.
and 2 of those sages. These little ones.
Okay.
What are these ones?
White sage.
Oh, this is Salvia Bees Bliss Sage. And the Alpina Sage. I'll do 1 Ceanosis as well. Do you know what kind of Ceanosis this is, or what color flower they would have?
Variegated. This one I'm not sure. This might be a prostrate one. Yeah, caramel creeper. I believe that this is just gonna get the blue flowers.
Okay, yeah. Yeah, 1 of those.
Okay.
That'll work. And 3 of these monkey plants.
Stimulus?
Yeah. That around the boulders too. And I'll probably dwindle some of these numbers down, but this will be perfect for the design. We're gonna figure out the design by tomorrow. And then ferns. 3. I think I'm gonna do the ones that look a little more exotic, so I'll do like 3 of these.
Okay.
And let's see. Are these just yellow now? Do they get a little bit darker sometimes?
They do.
Yeah.
I think it's just that they're kind of just. This might be one of those varieties that goes dormant.
Goes dormant.
So.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. I like them though. Let's do 3 of these as well. Yeah. Okay. Cool. And that's everything. Yeah. Actually, I did want to get one complimentary flower. Okay. Do you know what this purple one is?
That's Russian sage.
Russian sage. Oh, I like it. Oh, okay. Yeah. I'm familiar with this one. Oh, it is so nice. It smells good too.
And the bees love those.
The bees love it. Okay, that's good. Yeah, it'll be good to have a little like pollination. Let's do 4 of those. That's what I think it is. Heartleaf. Can you tell me about this plant?
So those are Bruneras. They get little blue flowers in the springtime. They do go dormant, and their color is like a lot more distinct in the spring as well.
Okay, cool.
Moderate drinkers, you know.
Yeah.
They're not drought tolerant, but you know, and they are like the shade.
Nice.
Yeah.
Some of these maybe that go dormant, would it be a good idea to maybe still plan around them in a design, but plant them in the spring instead of the fall?
Either way.
Either way?
You can,
Okay.
I mean, you can do either
It'd be
way.
better to do it all at once, I think.
Yeah. You can. I mean, I wouldn't.
Yeah.
You know.
Okay. And then Is this? I'm just seeing another grass here. Is this another kind of grass?
This is a grass. This is actually one that they use for like water sides. This is like a water iris. It's like a. It's not a. Well, yeah, I think it is actually. It's called sweet flag, and it gets. I think like. It has very fragrant leaves. I know that.
Does it need a lot of water?
It can go.
Because I think all the other ones.
Boggy soil.
Boggy soil. I mean, yeah, maybe they could plant a couple by the pond later on. It's really would match. I think everything, and you can correct me if I'm wrong, but I think everything I picked, once it's established, won't need a ton of water. Being that it was natives and then like yuccas,
right,
and then those salvias, I'm not super familiar with their water needs, and some of the other
like
plants that I've
and all that. I mean,
the sage and stuff.
That I think would maybe be the tassel fern would need a little bit more water than everything else, but and the cannas they do like to have some water.
Yeah, well, let's just put them in their own little bracket at the top or the bottom when we write this up, just in case I need to, consider that.
Yeah, okay.
All right, cool. Well, these are really nice, but so these would be in a similar consideration. They would need more water, probably, wanting boggy soil.
I mean, they would prefer that.
They prefer it,
sure.
yeah.
And the Brenarias would as
they
well.
would too.
Yeah.
Okay, so I might keep these in mind for if we're landscaping down by the pond, because we might do that after the hillside.
Okay.
And the hillside I could see being quite dry in the summertime.
Right.
Even though it's close to a pond, unless we irrigate it, it won't have enough water. So.
Yeah. Well, I mean, most of these plants are going to require irrigation.
Yeah, and we can give it irrigation, but I kind of want to ideally keep it around not a extreme water need irrigation, because they're still building they're still repairing all that right now.
Oh, interesting. Okay.
So, and it's just an area that it would be nice if they didn't have to water this hillside a lot, because we're having to spend thousands on rebuilding it.
Okay.
So I don't want too much water on it that could then erode all the work that we're doing. I'd rather plants that have strong root base and build up the hillside. So even though they're really pretty, I'm going to try to stay away from. I tried to do slightly more plants than I need, so I could cross a couple off.
I get you. Yeah, just things that you like that people good and
because we were going to put a lot of stone there too, so I don't need to go too plant crazy.
Yeah, exactly. Well, our